omunya exhausted it be a free Monday kono and you best be a Supreme Court officially or receive
me just say they are wasting our years.
Okay,
seriously.
Okay,
because Sadio says omo ya ebema omo party no I am very, very, very unpopular.
But let me also state on record, say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aka was Singapore say he has no interest so besa run bill.
And any umbra out immediately.
So what do you think about that?
In fact,
okay.
It says about no money no 2024. Umbra no be country say we need interest was adding to withdraw that case no. Because it be that true mami a former chief justice. On say a bra obey a press conference no. Where press conference we a press conference as mami wadi wa nya de. Because we see a press conference we no go we was there for and as in view of all these things my resign and was I is an otine and on say we must send it na and President Mahama only no free sasem we say mukura na o say nintin wo mo ya one ma woman you my one more stop that a yikura and yes I'm now very unpopular though he's doing well but a bread there swan house still say obi so koko faba say who go do obedium 6 months the tear through the mo and so we can say sending us here what do you do 6 months the tear through the other man go do December 20th by June I say end and so not just you when we have time productive time as the year near my bit my boy man that's how never the day me and I don't agree with it just in the fine on twin grand me person me could make can be to be a sanitation